Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see the airdrop of Berachain. It is quite easy and you don't even require a single penny to participate in this airdrop. All you need to do is just some tasks and you will be eligible for the airdrop. So without further ado, let's get started with it already. So just open up Berachain's official website. Make sure that you are on the right one because there are so many fake websites out there and you might end up losing your funds. So just open up the official one, and over here, first of all, we will add Berachain's testnet in our MetaMask. And for that, just simply click on this option of view docs over here at the bottom, and this will lead you over here. Now this won't directly lead you over here actually. So let me show you step by step. When you click on view documents, this is where it will take you. Now on the left hand side panel, you will see a list of different topics. Just select the option of how to connect a wallet with Berachain. Now scroll down, and as you scroll down, you will be able to find that it is teaching us how we can get Berachain's testnet on our MetaMask. But when you scroll down further, you will be able to find this option of add testnet. Just simply click on it and it will add the testnet on its own automatically rather than doing it manually. So that's quite easy and convenient for us. Just one click and it will be added. After that, get back to Berachain, and this is the website. It is quite cool. You can just move around your cursor and check out. And it's quite important for you to check out this website because there will be some questions asked in the quest, and it will be helpful for you, so better go through it. Like this particular sentence over here which says that it is based on the proof of liquidity. This is one of the answers for one of the question in the 5-question quest, and the quest is actually on Galaxy, and I made a huge mistake, so make sure that you don't make it, and I will not be getting points because of that mistake. But I hope you learn from my mistake and get all the points. So just simply search for Berachain Galaxy on Google and then open it up. This is the first link, and it will take you on Berachain. But if you already have account on Galaxy, make sure that you use that particular account and not create a new account. I actually created a new account when I already had one, and this is why I will not be able to complete some tasks. So when you create your account on Galaxy or log into your already existing account, you scroll down and check out that there are some tasks. The first one is that you visit the Berachain faucet and just get the points. For this, you will be getting 5 points daily. So just click on it and it will redirect you on the faucet page. Let me open this up. This is how it will look like. And after you add testnet on your MetaMask, this is how it will appear. Just copy your address and paste it over here. Then click on drip tokens and you would be getting the token of Bera in your MetaMask wallet, but you would only be able to get this token once in 8 hours. So make sure that you do it using the task section. So you would be able to complete this particular task and also get the Berachain testnet tokens. After that, when you scroll down, you will be able to find the option of Twitter and just complete this task. And I was not able to do it because I accidentally created a new Galaxy account and I completed some of the tasks for the Berachain using that new account. So there was no point of me going back to my old account. So that's why I'm not able to complete these tasks of Twitter. So make sure that you do it. And these tasks are quite simple. All you have to do is just click on it, then click on this option of arrow, and it will check whether the task has been completed or not, and you would be rewarded the points. Then you would be able to claim them from the side window on the left hand side panel. And when you scroll down further, you will be able to find this option of have Berachain role in Berachain Discord server. Basically, you just have to log into your Discord account and then get into the Discord server of Berachain. Over there, just participate in the chats and you would be able to get the Berachain role. But as per my observation, some people are in the Discord server and has been chatting for days now and they haven't got the Berachain role as of now. So just Go there, indulge in the chats, and you might be able to get it. Don't ask for it. Don't ping the moderators to get this role. Otherwise, you won't be able to get it. All you have to do is just chat there. After that, when you scroll down further, you will be able to find the option of visit Berachain documents. We just visited it already. So you can just click over here and visit it again, then complete it. And this is the quiz section that I was talking about, the 5 questions. And you would be asked these questions. The answer for this one is proof of liquidity. Then click on next. After that, it will ask you the second question. And in the second question, the answer is providing liquidity on DAO approved protocols on Berachain. So when you click on next, this is the third question, and the answer is D, BTC. Basically, it is asking which is not a native to Berachain. So it's Bitcoin. So when we click on next, now it will ask us, Berachain is built on what open source modular framework? So it is Polaris EVM. Then click on next. After that, the fifth question is, how does a user get Bera on Testnet? And it is through faucet. Like I told you before, you get the Bera on your testnet of MetaMask in 8 hours, like once in 8 hours. Then just simply click on this option of submit, and you would be able to get through this particular quiz and get it done. As simple as that. Now in the last, you will be able to find 3 different tasks which is related to the testnet. And the first one being that we go on the faucet and use it and get the Bera on our MetaMask wallet. So just simply do it and you would be able to complete it. Now for the last 2, let's do it on the video itself, so you get to see how I did the earlier one. I saved this particular task for this particular video. So when we just simply click on this particular option, it will ask us to go over there. Now just simply click on this option of swap tokens, and we need to select the tokens. Select Bera since we got it from faucet, and select any other token, like you can select SDG USDC, and instead of selecting max, just select half of it, like 0.025. And after that, just simply click on this option of preview. Now after that, it will ask you to confirm the transaction. Just confirm it. So this is the error that I'm getting right now, but it is completely fine because these kind of errors are quite usual on testnets, and you just have to wait for a while and have the patience, because a lot of people will be participating in this quest as they are completely free. But keep trying and you would be able to do that, since there was some error in the faucet also, but now it is solved. So this way, this problem might also be solved by the Berachain, and this is the reason for launching it on the testnet, because they also want to see whether they will be able to handle all the traffic or not. So it's completely fine. Just keep trying, and after that, just complete these 2 tasks as well. But everyone will be doing these tasks. What you can do to make yourself stand out from most of the people out there is that open up their official website, go to the section of D apps, and it will open up different D apps over here. Just try out these D apps and make sure that you do as many transactions as possible, as all these transactions will be free, because you will be getting all the funds from the faucet itself. So it's better that you increase your activity on Berachain, and this way you would also increase your chances of getting higher airdrop. So on Berachain, there's only one way to farm BGT token, which means that BGT token will play a significant role, and it is a governance token. So you would also be able to vote using this particular token. So maybe you can farm it before even it launches, and you can also mint honey, and you can go on the pools and provide the liquidity. This way you would be able to increase your chances of getting better airdrops. So just use the swaps in order to convert your Bera to different assets, and then add them in the pool section. Just simply click on this option of create pool and select one token on one end and other token that you just swapped on the other end. After that, just simply click on this option of next, and you would be able to provide the liquidity in the pools. And after you get the BGT token, you can use it in 3 different ways. The first way is that you stake it, the second way is that you burn it, and the third way is that you vote it. And on the staking part, you just have to delegate it to any particular validator. Just select any validator from this particular list, and there are plenty of them, and you can check out the commission rates and all the other things related to it. No bribes has been announced as of now, because this is just a testnet. So what's the point of earning rewards when it is not actually ours? So it's better that we just improve the our activity on chain and be eligible for the airdrop. And the best way to increase the activity is by using almost all the D apps on Berachain, and that would be enough for now. So I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can just simply comment down below. I will be happy to help you out. And in case if you want to see more such videos related to crypto airdrops and also the fundamentals of cryptos, then you can just simply subscribe to our channel and also like this video to support us, and see you in the next video.